Okay, people, we're going to do another one of these algorithm practice from freeCodeCamp. Today we've got Diff2 arrays. This is from the intermediate section. And as I did the other day, I told you I like to do this and prefer to do this in the REPL.it. It just works for me. So that's what I'm going to do. Comment that out. Copy all of this. Bring it over to REPL. There we go. Okay, let's see. Okay, so compare two arrays. Okay, here's the two arrays. This one and this one. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Return a new array with any items only found in one of the two given arrays, but not both. So 1 is in both, 2 is in both, 3 is in both, 4 is not in both. So that's what we want. 5 is in both. Return a new array with any items found in only one. So this should return 4. So we should ultimately need to be adding 4 to the new array and returning that. So how are we going to do that? Probably, let's say we're going to loop through an array and compare each one of those items to the other array, right? So let's just start with the loop. Okay, so there's the loop, and then we're going to compare. We've got array 1, each item of it, right? Alright, so we need to do if this happens. If it's not in there, put it in the array, right? Or if it's not in the other one. If this single item is not in the other array, right? So if something, sorry, so if array 1 or array I, let's see, that's not gonna work. So we're gonna compare the other way. If array 2 includes, is that what it is? Let's look it up. Includes determines whether an array includes a certain value, returning true or false. So let's just take this example over here, bring it over here, so we can take a look at it. So in their example, you have array 1, which is 1, 2, 3, and because a log, array 1 includes number 2, it should be true. Alright, so we want to do if it doesn't include it, right? So if array 2, if it doesn't include it, right? Because it basically flip-flops it, right? Gives you the does not include. What is it not including? It's not including array I, the current one that we're looping through, right? Then we're going to do something. What are we going to do? We're going to add it to the new array. Push. What are we pushing in there? It's the array, the current item, right? Alright, so what happens here if we run this? Array is not defined. Okay, because we're using array. Should be array 1. Right, array 1. Let's try that. Alright, that's an empty array. Why is that an empty array? Because we should be getting 4, right? Let's see, so what happens? We're going through comparing, is 1 in here, is 2 in here, is 3 is here. Okay, because every time, because we're testing, we're looping through these, right? And comparing it, are these in here? And it says, yes, it is in here. So it's not giving it to me. So what do we do the other way around? Instead of looping through array 1. Let's do array 2. Does array 1 include it? Okay, that's better. So let's take this over to here and run tests. Right. Okay, we got some, but not the other. I suspect just the sort of way we had, I just switched these, right? From array 1 to array 2. Because if you go through this way, none of these, I mean, these are all in there. There are no differences, but we flipped it. Maybe we just need to do it both ways. So in other words, if we just do this loop again, but with the flipped version. So make this array array 1, and this array 2. Still getting 4. So let's try it, running the test on it. There we go. So let's think about what happened there. So the first one, we're saying we're looping through the second array, which, let's do it over here. Whoa, what happened there? You don't need to see my email. We're looping through, what are we doing here? We're looping through the second array. We're looping through here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And saying, if array 1 doesn't include this, push that particular item to the new array. So this array 1 doesn't include this? Well, it does. Array 1 doesn't include this? It does. Array 1 doesn't include this? It does. Array 1 doesn't include 4? That is true. So, push it to the array. Array 1 doesn't include this? Okay, fine. And then, we already know it doesn't go this way, so. But you wouldn't know, unless you, Yeah, I guess you just have to do it both ways. Loop through this one and compare, and loop through this one and compare. Okay, seems to work. That wasn't that bad. I suspect there's a better way to do it. I'm not sure what it is, because I mean, if these arrays were gigantic, like 1,000 items, this would take a lot longer. So I suspect there might be a quicker way to do this, but hey, we're passing the test, and that's okay for now. Maybe this is only my second day of doing these videos for this series, so maybe what we'll do is I'll go through these and just give the first answer that comes to mind, and then maybe go back and refactor on a different day or something like that. But this will get the test to pass for today, so that's good. Alright, we'll see you next time.